The unexpected anti-tumor effect of this Panacur, known as fenbendazole, combined with this supplementary vitamins. Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Click there to subscribe, hit the bell to sign up for notifications, and then we click the link directly in the box below. I can send you a copy of my free book. Is it really possible that this dewormer, known by the brand name Panacur, actually called fenbendazole, can it really help our dogs or cats with cancer? Turns out there's a super interesting study in which they're actually studying lymphoma, and to prevent these rodents, these mice, from getting worms. They had an ongoing worm infestation. They were using Panacur fenbendazole. Guess what? A whole bunch of them that should have developed cancer because they're actually grafting cancer onto them didn't develop it at all. After seeing these results, they went on to design a specific study, one looking at mice, or the control group, 20 of them that were then grafted with lymphoma cells. So they're just going to measure, the growth of this lymphoma cancer. Number two, a group that was 20 mice, or they're just given additional fenbendazole or Panacur. Then the third group was a group given the fenbendazole, but as well antioxidant vitamins. And then what they found is that the group that was given fenbendazole, the Panacur, as well as the antioxidant vitamins, they showed significant inhibition in tumor development. In other words, like a large percent of them didn't even have the cancer cells growing. So what these scientists then postulated is that fenbendazole, it can affect a specific type of growth factor called HIF, hypoxia-inducible factor, which tumor cells use to grow. They adapt to grow in areas of low oxygen. The antioxidant vitamins, they can do much the same thing. They can also suppress the growth of HIF, hypoxia-inducible factor. Interesting, this isn't a new study. This research has been published for several years. But what is new is all of a sudden, the whole world's getting onto the possibility of alternative cancer treatments, fenbendazole or Panacur being a legitimate option. This is super hopeful. The key antioxidants that they identified are vitamin A and vitamin E. And they postulated that those two antioxidant vitamins, in combination with the fenbendazole, it reached a threshold effect, causing this marked inhibition of cancer growth. And, upwards a large percent of these mice, they just didn't develop cancer. Not only that, the cancer cells disappeared. So what does this mean for your dog, your cat? Say they've got cancer and you're like, oh, should I use this Panacur, this fenbendazole? What supplementary antioxidant vitamins could I use? The Panacur. There are an array of different suggested doses. There isn't a clear, established dog or cat cancer regimen. One recent regimen that I read about, and what they've been used in certain people, is giving a relatively lower dose of the Panacur for a 30 to 60 day period. And I think that's kind of how I would go if I were to treat little Tula for cancer. So we're looking at approximately 10 milligrams per kilo. Little Tula, she's about 20 pounds, which is 10 kilo. That would be 100 milligrams. That would be a very small amount of the Panacur. It would just be 1 cc. It's 100 milligrams per mil. If your dog weighed 40 pounds, he would be getting 2 meals once a day. If he weighed 60 pounds, he would be getting 3 meals once a day. So it's a relatively small amount, but we'd be given over a 30 to 60 day period. Then there's the antioxidant vitamins, the vitamin A, the vitamin E. The doses kind of vary. They're all over the place. So I was like, what would be a really simple way for you to provide additional antioxidant vitamins? It's really safe for your dog or cat. You're not going to be overdosing them. A great option is this one. It's krill oil. So krill is high in vitamin E. It's high in vitamin A, the key antioxidant vitamins. And it also has additional astaxanthin, another antioxidant flavonoid found only in krill. So if little Tula, she were to get cancer, fingers crossed that she never does, you bet. If she got lymphoma, I'd be giving her Panacur. I'd be giving her 100 milligrams, that's 10 mg per kilo, once daily for 60 days. So 1 cc of this a day. And I'd be combining it with krill, 500 milligrams of krill daily, be 1 capsule once a day. And I do that for another 60 days. I'll link to the paper in the description box below. It seems really promising to me. You know, specifically when they're seeing like cancer cells not growing, like they're grafting human lymphoma cells onto these mice, cancer cells go away, and like a large percent. I mean, that's a pretty big like red flag should be going off. Like, why are we not looking more into this? Why are we not looking more into some of these antioxidant vitamins, vitamin A, vitamin E, astaxanthin? Thanks you guys for watching. Hope you like Tula's little new haircut. Oh, isn't she cute? Little bandana, her nice hair. It's Dr. Jones. Click up there to subscribe. Hit the bell to sign up for notifications, and then when you click the link directly in the box below, I can send you a copy of my free book.